What's going on, everyone? Are you worried about someone tampering with the fuel in your truck, or you actually have a 16-year-old that has no money and has been stealing your gas? Well, I had the fix for you, a nice locking gas cap for your C10. So all the tools that you need for this installation is just one tool, your hand. Just grab that gas cap, twist it off, and then just toss it in the bed. So there's no twisting involved. All you have to do is line up the tabs and push it on, and it's locked in, and then you're done. To remove the gas cap, all you do is you flip this lid with the bow tie on it, grab the supplied keys, turn it, and pull right off. Then you can fill up your truck. Once you're done, close that lid and slide it back on. As you can see, guys, that was super easy to install. Now you got that nice chrome gas cap with that GM certified bow tie on it. If you want this gas cap or many other great C10 parts, go to cjponyparts.com.